How to play fantasy league. This will be a complete guide. So fantasy leagues, particularly in football, offers an engaging way to enjoy the sports by allowing participants to create their own team based on real life players. Right, so the first thing is that you have to choose a platform. This is fantasyleague.com. You can go and choose any other platform here, just like let me show you a fantasy premier league, and there's a lot of different platforms, right? Now, once you choose a platform, sign up for, which I've shown you, for example, Sleeper, ESPN, or Yahoo, you can join a public league or create a private league with friends. Right, and here leagues can vary in size, typically 10 to 12 teams in format, snake draft or auction draft. Before the draft, research player stats, injuries, and team changes. Familiarize yourself with the league scoring system, PPR versus standard scoring. On draft day, select players for your team based on your research and the draft order. Be ready to adapt if you desire players are picked by others. Each week, set your starting lineup from your roster of players. This typically include positions like quarterback, right back, wide receivers, tight end, and scoring points, right? And once you do it, once you manage your team throughout the season, you have to waiver wire trade. You can trade the player with the different teams here, and playoff structure, winning the championship. So if you just keep winning, then it's really great for you. You have to engage and watch NFL games to see how your players perform. This enhances the enjoyment of both fantasy football and real life games here. Right, so these are the here, and I've also mentioned some of the tips for success. For example, stay updated on players' needs and injuries. Regularly adjust your lineup based on the player performance and matches. Use resources like cheat sheets and mock drafts to refine your strategy before the actual draft. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.